welcome back to my channel. Today I went to Walgreens for my first Walgreens haul. I will be doing another haul as well because I had two different boosters. So for this haul, I had the 5,000 points back when you spend $35. So let's get into those deals. I have a couple tips and tricks and quite a few really good money makers. So stay tuned for that. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and hit that notification tab. So let's dive in. First deal I want to get into is the all laundry detergent. This is 26 loads, it's 46.5 fluid ounces. So this is a really good size, it smells really good. Typically they're $6.74. This week they're on sale for $2.88. Then in your Walgreens app, there is a coupon that you can clip to your card for $1 off. So this is gonna wind up only being $1.88. That's a really, really good deal for laundry detergent. And again, this is 26 loads, so that'll last you about 2 months. The next deal I wanna get into, which is some of the money makers, is the Bic razors. So this is the Silky Touch razors. These are just the cheapy women's disposable razors. So I got 2 of them. The deal for these razors is buy 2, get 4,000 points back. They're also buy 1, get 1 half off. So for these, I went ahead and printed out 2 of the $2 off coupons from bic.com. So I'll have that linked below as well. You just go on the website, you sign up, and then you can print off the coupons. So the total cost on these, you're gonna pick up 1 for $3.99, 1 for $1.99. You're gonna use 2 of those $2 off coupons, takes off $4. Then you're going to pay the final price out of pocket and you're gonna get back 4,000 points. So it winds up being a $2.03 moneymaker. That's a really hot deal on these. The other deal that, okay, so the next deal I wanna get into is another moneymaker. It is for the men's razors. These are the Bic Comfort 3. There's 4 razors in here, they're for sensitive skin. So same deal on these, they are buy 2, get 4,000 points back, which is the equivalent of $4 in Walgreens money. They're also buy 1, get 1 half off. So the deal on these, you're gonna buy 1 at $4.79 was the price at my store. Second one is gonna be $2.39. So when you pick up 2, you're paying $7.18. Again, there are $2 printable coupons at bic.com. So I went ahead and printed 2 of them, 1 for each. So you're gonna take off $4 in coupons. You're left to pay $3.18 out of pocket. You're gonna get back 4,000 points, which is the equivalent of $4. So it's gonna be free plus an 82-cent moneymaker. So this one's a really hot deal as well. Even if they're not the best razors, you can always donate them and it is a moneymaker. So you're taking them for free and you're making a little bit too. Another good deal is on these nice storage bags. They are buy 1, get 2 free. So that is a super hot deal. There's no coupons or anything needed. So I picked up 3 different kinds. These are the sandwich bags, there's 50 of them. These are the quart size bags. And then these are the gallon size bags. So they're all $2.79, but it's buy 1, get 2 free. So you only pay for 1 of them, you get the other 2 free. That's a really good deal there. Especially with the booster, because like I mentioned in the beginning, I'm using the 5,000 points back when you spend $35. So the final out of pocket you have to pay with either cash, credit card, or debit card, whatever. You cannot use points to pay. However, you can use register rewards. So register rewards are those rewards that print at the register when you're checking out. You can use those towards it because Walgreens considers them a manufacturer coupon. So we'll get into the totals in a little bit. Another really good deal that you want to do when you have a spend booster is these. This is a Glade warmer. They are free. They are $1.99. There is a free product coupon in the P&G from last weekend's newspaper, the 825 newspaper. The P&G, I got 5 newspapers, so that's why I had multiples. You can do up to 2 in a transaction. So these both wind up being free. So that's $1.99 and $1.99. The reason why this is so good to do with a booster is because you're getting $4 added towards that $35 threshold, but all of that cost out of your pocket is coming off because they wind up being free with those coupons. So those are really good deals. Even if you want to just go in and pick those up, really good deals. They're absolutely free. The next big moneymaker is on the Crest. There's a bunch of different kinds available. I got 3 different kinds here. Oh, let me show you. 3 different kinds here. So for the Crest, the deal is buy 3, get a $7 register reward. So you're going to use 2 of the $2 off coupons from last week's inserts. I believe it was the 825 PNG. It'll be all listed in my printable breakdown as well, so make sure you guys take a look at that, print it out, take it with you to the store. It makes it super easy. So the limit on that is 2. You can only use 2 paper coupons per transaction, which is written on the coupon. So you're gonna use $2 off of this one, $2 off of this one. Then we have a digital $2 off coupon in the Walgreens app. So make sure you guys clip that, send it to your card. So final pricing on all of these is going to be $8.97, because again, they are $2.99 each. Then you're going to use the 3 $2 off coupons, takes off $6 for you. You're gonna pay $2.97 out of pocket. You're gonna get back $7 in register rewards. So this winds up being a $4.03 moneymaker. Huge, huge, huge. Make sure you guys at least take care of this deal. Head into your Walgreens. You get free toothpaste, and you wind up making an extra $4 as well. So it's a super hot deal on this one. The Puffs Plus is just something extra that I bought to make sure I hit that $35 threshold. They are $1.25, and there's a 25-cent coupon in your app. Make sure you clip that. There was 3 different varieties. This is Puffs Plus Lotion and Vicks. They also had a Puffs Plus Lotion.